Hey everybody, I'm your host 5 Minute Tutorials. For today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a basic fog in Blender. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe and enjoy the tutorial. So what we are going to do is basically make a ground. So you can make any whatever you like. I'm just going to make a basic ground. After I finish making the ground, what I'm gonna make is another cube. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. So this cube is going to be our fog. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new material, change this from principal BSDF from the to volume scatter. So then after we do that, we're gonna go to shading, change the volume surface to volume, and you can see if I go here that it's we have a basic fog. So you can control the fog by the density. This thing you can change it to whatever you like. So in order to test if this thing works, what we're gonna do is shift A, add another cube, make it a bit smaller, put it in front, and you can change the color to whatever you like. So blue, pink, yeah, whatever you like, change the things. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just render the image. After we render it, let's just wait for it to finish rendering, and you can see that yeah, we have a fog. So nice. It's a pretty simple tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.